Hey everybody, welcome back to my second channel, and now I'm going to react to another Street Kids skit. This is part 2, and Teon already uploaded around last year, so Tania seems to be watching this. I'm so sorry I haven't reacted to your part 2, but that's okay. I'm hoping you're going to upload another episode of Street Kids, Castles in the Sky. So that's why I'm doing this reaction video. Without no further introduction, let's do it.
Oh my gosh, we don't want to get sick.
There's Veronica, there's Teon.
But there's some chicken soup. Oh boy, I think Tanya's gonna love it.
In the treehouse area.
Yeah, I'm so darn wrong about that tissue. You know what else that makes them sneeze? It's the pepper. It makes them sneeze. I hope they never smell this pepper.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! Excuse me.
Oh,
Yep, pepper
Dan,
does
it's
make
me.
them sneeze. I hope. Okay, guys, we're back.
Hey guys, you're back.
You got the cans of chicken soup?
There's me and
We
Kirsten.
set it under the table.
Well, we've got all these cans of chicken soup.
Yeah, I bet Tanya will love it. Yep,
That was
I doubt
me.
it.
Hey guys.
Well, chicken soup.
Wow, that's a lot of
Careful
chicken
after this
soup.
best
huh?
medicine.
Yep, and we're gonna
Or
cure
the
Tanya's
Campbell's Chicken
sniffles.
Noodles commercial.
The sniffles? Ay caramba.
Yeah,
Ay,
and we better
caramba.
make it in fast.
That smells delicious.
Yeah, we better wake Tanya up. I hope she'll like chicken soup.
Tanya, wake up.
Tanya, wake up.
We've got something for you. Huh? What is it?
We've just made some chicken soup.
Chicken soup? Yes, and we've made some for you. Well, guys. Oh no.
What?
I gotta sneeze again.
Bless you.
Bless you, Tanya.
Thanks, Teon.
Well, Tanya, I hope you like some chicken soup, so here you go.
Okay, I'll try some.
I bet this will work. I hope Tania should try some chicken soup. If not, well then, doggone it.
That's delicious. Hey, I'm feeling better.
Yes! She's feeling better, you guys.
Well, that's amazing.
Thanks, guys, for making me feel better.
You're welcome, Tanya. It's a good way to cure the sniffles.
Now I'll never be having the sniffles again.
Well, we're glad to hear it.
Well, I better go now. Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
It was our pleasure.
Well, we'll see you around.
Bye.
Bye,
See you
Tanya.
guys later.
See you around, Tanya.
What a day. I bet her sniffles is cured, don't you think?
Okay, that's gonna be harsh for us.
I knew it worked perfectly. Well, that is the simple way to have a best medicine.
Boy, it sure feels good to make our friends feel better. Right, C-Plus?
a great treatment.
Awesome sauce.
C-Bloss.
Guys, you gotta help me.
Hey, what's up?
What happened to you?
I think I
you.
sneezed confetti.
Well, I don't get it.
I don't get it either. Ooh.
See?
Well, I guess I'll make her some chicken soup.
Well, here we go again.
That's all, folks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already. I will do a 151st update video for CC the channel. Will be in my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time for more videos every day. Bye, guys.